Hi angels, this is SparkleBrite, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Teresa. Welcome. I hope you stay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I load up a new video. And to those of you angels who have subscribed and are new to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And to all of my angels that have been with me since day one, thank you for supporting my channel. So today I'm going to do an angel mail. I call them angel mails. And this one was from such a sweet angel. And her name is Daisy. And the name of her channel is SweetSunnyDay31. I know a lot of you angels are subscribed to her. And if you're not, please stop by her channel and subscribe and tell her that Teresa T. SparkleBrite sent you. So I wasn't expecting this angel mail, so I was very surprised when I received it. Thank you so much, Daisy. You didn't have to, but I really appreciate you. This is the package that it came in. I am not going to show the other side because it has my address. Hers is a P.O. box, but mine isn't. So, Daisy, I just opened it now before I started the video. I didn't want to take too much time to cut it open on camera. So, I haven't seen anything yet. This is what it looks like, angels. It is full of goodies. So let's get started. Let me see. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this cute little bag. Look at it. It is so cute. Pink with polka dots. And let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. This is, well, I see Marilyn Monroe. She collects Marilyn Monroe items, and she knows that I do also. So the first thing that I see is this Marilyn Monroe I don't know what it is. Let me find out. It does have Marilyn Monroe on it. So, oh, it's a, let's see. Oh yes, it's a compact. But this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Look at that. So, but it is a mirror. I don't want to shine it at you, but it is a compact. This is so cute. And the next thing that was in this little package, oh, that is so cute also. Look at that. So cute. And this one is a little notebook that is going in my purse. Thank you so much, sis. Look, it has that picture. And that one. Let's see the next thing. Okay, here's the card. And if you angels don't know, she also sells the paparazzi. So make sure to drop by her channel. This is her card, her paparazzi card. So if you want to stop the video and get the information, you can. And this is the card. It is so cute. It says thank you. And it says, you are so sweet. Thank you, sis, for your gifts. I truly appreciate you. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Hope you are doing well. Have a wonderful week. Much love, Daisy. So, thank you, Daisy. And I'm glad you liked what I sent you, but you didn't have to send me anything. So, the next thing that I'm going to take out, it's wrapped in this tissue. And let's see what this is. Oh, this is so cute. This is a sleep mask. This is what it looks like. Let me see if I take out of the package. Oh goodness, it's got tape on it, so it's gonna take a while for me to. Oh goodness, I'm sorry it's taking so long, but they really take these things up. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. So cute. Sleep mask. And the other side says Marilyn Monroe. That is so cute with the little lips on there. And the next thing that she put in here, she wrapped it up in another tissue. Oh, look at this. It's a planner. Let's see. Yes, it's a planner. It's a 2019-2020 planner. It looks like this. And this is what it looks like from the inside. Oh, there it goes. It is so cute. Thank you so much, Daisy. You didn't have to send me all this. I feel bad because I only sent you a few things, and I really appreciate this so much. Thank you. And let's see, the last thing in this package, she put it in another tissue. And let me see. Oh my goodness. She had made a video, and she posted this. She had bought this, and I think it was a holler haul. And I did mention that I like this because, of course, it is Marilyn Monroe. And oh my gosh, Daisy, I would have never thought that you would. I mean, not that you wouldn't, but I am so surprised that you did send me this. Are you ready, angels? This is what it looks like. They're makeup bags. I mean, you can use them for anything, but it has 3 of them. Okay, so this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and then it has a cute little, I know you can't see it, but it's in the shape of lips. So, oh my gosh, I just love this bag. It is so pretty. And this is also from a Marilyn Monroe collection. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I just love it. I mean, I really love everything you sent, Daisy. But you know, I collect Marilyn Monroe. Well, most of it is Marilyn Monroe. Thank you so much. But this is my favorite out of all of them. You didn't have to. But I really appreciate you. That was everything she sent and everything I loved. Like I said, angels, if you're not subscribed to Daisy at SweetSunnyDay31, please stop by her channel. Like I said, she is so sweet. She's always giving to other people. And she does hauls, she does reviews. Like I say, she sells paparazzi jewelry. I know that if you stop by and watch her videos, you will enjoy them and you will subscribe. So thank you, Sissy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to keep a lookout for things Marilyn Monroe, or even something I think you will enjoy. And I will send something back because you didn't have to do this. So angels, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Give it a thumbs up. And until my next video, I send you peace and light. And remember to always sparkle bright.